Where's Reagan?
Ma'am?
Get out of my way, asshole. What gives you the right?
Anthony, call security.
How dare you interfere with my family?
Put the phone down. You must be the adoptive mother.
I am Kyle's mom, Gwen Rice.
Okay, well, if you hadn't noticed, this is the office of the district attorney. Not a family law firm.
Oh, unless you're Carla and John Darling, in which case this makes us a free legal aid clinic.
I am not helping them.
You met with them.
I met with them as a favor, which is what I seem to be doing for you.
You met with them.
I recommended lawyers, that is it.
That's not what I was told.
Then you were told wrong. And I'm happy to recommend some to you as well. I'm sorry for your troubles, but I have no stake in this.
Well, you do now. They filed for custody this morning, and I find it very hard to believe that this is a coincidence.
On what grounds are they challenging custody?
My attorneys are talking about it now, and I'm supposed to get a call telling me that everything's fine. My phone is not ringing. Miss Reagan, I cannot lose my son.
Listen to me. As far as I know, they cannot challenge custody after 1 year. And Kyle is 5, right?
Yeah, in a couple of weeks.
Okay, so given the time frame, they have no case. I know, it feels like the most expensive gamble.
It's not a gamble.
The claim will be thrown out as long as there's no basis for a dispute.
Thank you. I apologize for busting in like this. I'm not myself these days. Thank you for not having me thrown out.